it down here.
Here. So, remember what I said?
Yeah, but we do that first.
I want you to just find the box and the card and then set the rest of it aside.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Are you starting?
Apparently I have to.
No, because I'm still eating.
Well, she wants to eat. There's something in there for her to eat.
Then give me that. You want somebody to write what you get?
I do, actually.
Then,
I think Brock was going to do it.
then, find the rest of your meal. It's a box. It's got a card right on top of it.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, open that up.
With the...
Open it up. It's not anything bad.
I know what the... It's not anything bad.
Yeah, open that up.
Okay.
Hey, Melinda. Yeah. You have some paper I'll write down stuff.
Can you remember?
You know what? I gave him mine paper. Right here. What is it? You want to do it or
They are
almonds and cherries.
Cherries.
From the farm.
She started?
I get it. Not so there.
What are those?
What?
What do you have in your hand?
Nuts.
Who are they from?
I knew I'd get everyone's attention. What?
Lots of nuts.
What are they? Almonds and cherries. And, they're from Miss Sadowski.
Very nice.
Very nice.
What's the meaning of that, Zen?
She used to bring me.
She likes your nuts?
And yeah.
And you used to steal them and she got mad at you.
No.
No, we used to hate Miss Sadowski.
We shared them.
That was the last year of high school.
Yeah, that was my last year. We were nice to each other.
high school?
When I got into special ed,
Don't say anything about her. She's sitting right there taking pictures.
I did miss something. No.
Me.
Okay. Yeah, I knew you, but I don't know what your name was. So
I'm the Soldovsky.
Say again.
Carrie Sadowski.
Sadowski. Got it.
And when I got into the special ed program, she was part of the special ed program. So I had to be involved with her.
So she decided to love it instead of hate it?
So instead of hating her,
We did hate her.
so instead of hating her,
And look, now
she ended up
she came
becoming
to your baby shower.
Yeah.
How wonderful.
That is wonderful. It's a good lesson of forgiveness.
There was no reason for us to not like her. I don't know.
there was no I don't know.
You didn't like anybody.
There was no
Yeah, that was me, but she, I don't know why.
I'm going to blame it on Cat.
on Cassie.
Cat, Mr. Cat.
Mr. Cat?
Yeah. Remember Earth Science? We got off on the bad.
Maybe it was him.
Yeah, wouldn't you like to be able to say that
It
about
wasn't even mine.
It was. What do you want me to write down for her?
Well, I think there's nothing.
Oh, yeah, there was something wrong.
That was
Clean it up.
That's it.
Yeah.